Hi, I'm Nixia, or Coach Haley with the Game Gym, and this is how you use Zoom. To start, you need to sign up for an account. To sign up for a Zoom account, if you don't already have one, access the Zoom website's download page at https://zoom.us/download. You'll want the first link that says Zoom Client for Meetings and download it and follow all the instructions for setup. After you install Zoom on your computer, sign in if the client requests that you do. After you've signed in, Zoom will welcome you to the homepage of the client. Press the Join button in the middle and input the Camp from Home meeting ID that you will receive before Camp from Home starts and put your name in the bottom. In Zoom, you also need to make sure that your audio and video are set up correctly. In the Zoom client, click the Settings cog on the top left and then navigate to the Video tab on the left before selecting your webcam. To set up audio, navigate to the Audio tab and click the Test buttons to test. Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, testing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you're in the call, you can wait for the call's host to let you in. Once you're in, turn on your video and say hello. In the bottom, you can mute your mic, share your screen, and more. Hello.
What's up?
Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you at Camp from Home.